Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will see how to work on Bootstrap tables. So table when you say tables you will remember like you will have a table tag like tr tag and td tag, and also you will have um, header tag and body tag as well in our HTML table. Let's add it here, th, or you can have th and t body. So this is this is the way like our HTML will look, and also Bootstrap also gives the same structure, so we won't be in no confusion. So and also they it give us like caption tag, so that every table if you want to add a caption, you can give a small caption like employees table like that, etc. So let's go to our demos page project, sorry, and add a new ASPX page. Let's say Bootstrap tables, and click add. So once you add this, as usual, like in my previous videos, I'm copying the basic stuff. If you want to know what are the basic stuff, just go over to my previous videos. I explained you the introduction part, like how to add bootstrap styles into your website and how to play on with the some controls, just to go over the videos. So now here let's add a container. So our page or whatever the examples we are working on, it will be in the center of the page. So here we are working on the table. So what I will do, I will add a table and a tr and td. So here we also uh, planning to add our head. Let's name this as head, and let's name the rows as our body. So let me create a 2 rows and 1 head. And if you want to add multiple columns, I will show you 3 columns in this examples. So at least the it will be it will show you the look and feel nice way. I'll say here first name, last name, and salary. I'm showing you like some employee information, so that Emmanuel Mendu 50,000. Ibu menu, will say 60,000. Okay, so here what I did, I added a basic table, and I didn't add any styles to it. So let's go ahead and run this one, set as start page, and see how it looks. Just basic without doing anything here. It's a simple, no styles, nothing, no borders, nothing like that. So what I did here today, I added like let me show you this. So in the Mozilla, like we can see how it looks in the responsive. So let's go and open our Firefox so that you can test your. If you go to your menu here, and you will see more, or sorry, web developer and responsive design mode. So just select this one. So in this responsive design, you can see all varieties, and you can shrink and decrease, and you can select our any like iPhone 6s, so that you can test it that way. So let's open our, sorry, let's open our localhost here, so that the, like um how my whatever the table, how it looks in the iPhone 6, this is the best way to test. So let's go to our Visual Studio, and here what I just for our case, what I will do, I will add a just heading bootstrap tables. Okay, tutorial, and I will say this as jump button, and then just go and refresh your page, and you see uh, a, like a gray color jump button is added, and like I added this is in container, so it got space here and there. If you pull that outside of your container, and if you refresh it, and it's completely covered. If you go bigger, so it's completely covered. See, that's a difference with the container and the non-container. So I'll keep inside the container, and I will say text center. So it the headings says center, stays center. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just play on our tables. So here what I will do, default, for default we will have a table class. So I'll give the table class and just refresh it. So now the bootstrap are done like good job doing this. Like if there is a table class, just if you give table, the header and the rows are completely divided with a dashed line. Okay, this is that does with the table class. If you want to show a good look and feel, like um, you can use like stripped table, and I'll say table stripped. Let's see how this one looks. So this stripped table stripped one, it will give you a, like if I copy two more and refresh it. See, the way it did is it separated like every two rows, it gave a different style coloring. That's the way, like if you want to play around with the all the table styles, you can go around and start doing. If you want to show complete for every column, if you want to show some border, there will be uh, bordered table border class. So if you just refresh it, and you see a simple table structure with all the borders. And if you want to show like anything, like when you do over on any row, if you want to show some color, so bootstrap already have inbuilt already predefined class name table over. If you just click on the um, table over, you can just use multiple table, say border, and then hover both styles. we can use the suppose styles as well. So that way, like you can have like you have a lot of other styles also. Just if you want, just go over it like um, uh, complete table structure and just use and experience it and um, use as it is, like whatever your project needs. So, and also we have like we can show um, if it is if it is a small PC, like for example, you can go Lumia 520, and if you go smaller and smaller, um, the uh, the the table, it will automatically shrink. So if you want, if your table column is lot bigger, you can use. There is also table responsive. So this will give you sorry, just refresh it. This will give you some scrolling in your horizontal scoring also. So let me show you how that looks. What I will do, I will add some more columns to the last row and refresh it. See, now you see scrolling in the down. So there is no need to you do separate extra things. The Bootstrap has already designed it. So when you go bigger and bigger, it will give you nice responsive. So this is the way how you need to work if you have a multiple table, or if you are a ASP.NET developer, you will have a lot of grids to show a lot of columns every in your projects. So you can use this table responsive. That will uh, make your UI looks very good. You can use a lot of colors. You can use um, some uh, um, styles to maintain the headers and footer headers and the rows different way. Like there is also in our Bootstrap there is a table condensed. Condense this what it does, it gives um, let me remove all. So in this you can just use like the padding and is a little smaller, so that you can play around with all the table styles in Bootstrap and decide like which one is the best for you. Uh, Thank you. That is it. That's what I want to tell you in this. So I forgot to explain you the caption. So let me show you uh, fastly. Like just add a caption like saying Bootstrap, like, or employee details. So here you are seeing the caption heading on your table top. So you can use that caption if you want um, to show like what's the table is for. Just for you can use like other than this, you can use a label control in your ASP.NET website. That's what I want to tell you, like how we can work on this, like what is a Bootstrap tables are and how we can use. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos on this Bootstrap and other languages. Thank you so much. Bye bye.